Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And December is back, and again, I have to talk about this issue Accenture PIP because there are people who is currently undergoing through PIP in Accenture, and I got couple of mail response in my past videos. I have a separate like 4 or 5 videos I made on PIPs on like in Accenture. Definitely, you should check it out if you are undergoing through PIP, and if you are in Accenture and don't know about this process, or if you are heading towards Accenture and you want to know the dark side of Accenture, then definitely you should check this video out before making your decision. Now, first of all, I know like there might be 5-10% resource, rest all are safe. So but you have a lot of question and something has changed over the time, like uh, the like I made this video 1 year back or 2 years back, so slightly changed, things had slightly changed, and there are a couple of questions. So let me go through the question and let me try to give some insight about this process, because a lot of you usually don't see a lot of videos over social media or YouTube about PIP because it is never spoken. And also, if you are thinking that okay, PIP of other companies like Wipro, like not cognizant, again it's different, but other companies, so Wipro and other companies, I mean, they usually don't give PIPs, but that PIP is quite different to the Accenture PIP. Accenture PIP means it's very very serious. You have to take this PIP process very seriously because there is a termination. I mean, there it made its termination, so you have to take these matters very seriously. Now what has happened over the time, usually after appraisal, if you get IP, like improve performance, I'm just going through a couple of posts, then your PIP may initiate. Now this is not 100% chance that even if you get the lowest rating or below rating, there might chances that you may not go through this process and you just got the last rating, and for the repercussion would be you will not receive any variable pay, or your salary will not be increasing then for the next year. So that would be the bare minimal thing that you have to go through. Otherwise there is no repercussion, but there is also chance, more than 50-60% chance, that you will receive a mail from your people manager, who is basically a HR lead, saying that you are under PIP. Now your PIP has initiated from your immediate manager, so they will share the plan to the HR will review and then send it back to you. Now when this plan is shared, then there is a there is also the possibility then you can fight. You have, if you have a data points, if you have proper evidence that you, if you have done quite well and PIP is not justified, you can show the document evidence to the HR. Just have a one-to-one call with your manager, and then HR try to convince them that this PIP is not justified and I have these pointers and I have done better than peers, so you can definitely challenge. But there is one more thing, if you can't prove, then there is a chance that instead of put you in PIP, if you're not accepting the fact that, and if you're not able to prove, then they, it may go for termination. So that's a problem in challenging. But definitely if you have a data point, challenge them, say them like you are, this is not justified. No, this is one point. Now the next point is about the program. Like I discussed, this is a 4-week program basically. There is a possibility that the PIP manager would be a different, so a different manager will be assigned, or a TL would be assigned, whatever role, and they will give couple of tasks and you have to show the progress in each week. There'll be a call, one to one, or it would be a group call possibly. And during this time you will be unallocated from the project. You can't join any new project. So basically it's a 1 month completely they want you to dedicate or focus to the plan basically, and you should do the same basically. Now now I mean, based on these 4 weeks the review or whatever result, so finally either it will be a pass or fail. If it is pass, then well and good, you can continue with the organization. And the problem again, I told, like, you won't get hike and variable pay for the next year. But if it fails, then most likely you have to leave the organization. They will either ask you to quit on the same day, or they will give you like 10-15 days, definitely for ask for severance pay, because 3 months notice period, so they should give all those salaries in upfront as a final full and final settlement that usually they give. But definitely you should ask for that. Now this is the the process. Now the question is, a lot of people are asking, they are on PIP currently and whether they should resign. Now PIP and resignation doesn't fall under same category. PIP is a process of 1 week. You can definitely resign. Your notice period will be counted for next 3 months. But during this, if you are not able to clear the PIP, then this notice period stuff will not come. They will ask you to leave. So you cannot basically serve these 3 months. So 3 months will not be applicable if you fail to clear the PIP. Again, if you pass the PIP, then you can resign. Since you have resigned, so you can leave the company once your uh, notice period is over. So based on your uh, like you know what it good for you, just go with that. And one more point, if you have resigned and if in PIP, if you are still able to clear the PIP, then you can negotiate with the HR that since you already resigned, please give early release. So they may give early release. It is also quite possible. This is one point. And next point is, once you get the PIP, so this 1 month is quite crucial. You try your level best to prove yourself that you whatever task given to you, try to complete all those tasks. There are managers who or manager TLs and all, people, they are not that cooperative. So try to drop the mail. If they are not replying, tell them to the manager, HR, that I am not getting enough data point to prepare my data or to prepare my deck or to prepare my program, whatever you have given. Because last day there is no point to tell. So whatever plan that has shared, if it is not going accordingly, raise this concern to the the weekly call. Also drop a mail to the HR that you are not getting the point, so there is not it is not possible for you to complete those tasks. So to be very transparent and try to document everything. Now this is one part. And also parallelly, December there are quite a bit of opening here and there. Try to look for the job change. This is the ideal time for you to go and check for the job change. So this is two tasks that you have to do. And apart from that, if okay, so one more point, that has changed over the time. So in Accenture they follow bell curve in 2014-15, but they are now not following the bell curve. Bell curve is where you have to fit, you have to give PIPs to some people like 10%, but still they are giving people 10% folks in PIP bucket. But earlier the people are able to clear PIP is very less. It was around 10-20%. And why they are not able to make, so I have a separate video. You can check those thing, like why most people fail to clear PIP. I have discussed on this. But these days things are different. I have seen there are 50% chance that you will be, even more than 50% chance that you will be able to clear if you have done all these things properly. So 56% chance is still there, even if you are if you are undergoing through PIP, that you they will retain. So don't think that PIP means is termination. And also even if you are losing the job, it will not show as a performance ground. They will show as a resignation. So just be sure that your background verification and all those letter, relevant letter, experience letter will be clean, so there won't be any problem. Now from my experience, I would say during my tenure, 3 or 3.5 year, whatever tenure with Accenture, I have seen 3-4 cases where people got the PIP, out of which 50% people were able to clear them, 50% not. Now those 50% people who were not been able to clear the PIP, they got a better job. So all of them, 100% of them who laid off due to this process, they got a better salary, better job, better company. So even if you are in PIP, don't think that you are not worth it. You are don't like you know uh, do not think that you are not worth, or do not let your moral down. Just be positive, try to prepare and look out for the job change. You will get better company than Accenture, even better salary, better position. And don't tell that you are in PIP for that you are looking for the job. Just tell you are planning to resign. So these are the few things that I think I should discuss for about PIP. If you are currently undergoing through this, just you can reach out to me. I'll try to refer you, because this is the right time. Also, you send out your resume to all of your friends. Try to seek help from LinkedIn. Use your Naukri, uh, all of other portal, Times Job, Indeed, whatever portals available. Use them, and hopefully things will be better in January. Like, this process will be over. So that's all about PIP. If you have some question, do let me know in the comment below, and subscribe to my channel for such informative video about IT.